وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all. What do you stand for? I mean, what do you believe in which you will never be shaken on those pillars of conviction that you have within yourself? Hello, I'm Abdullah Oduro, and welcome to the series. We are going to cover the who, what, when, where, and why in regards to all the 5 pillars of Islam. You ask, why are we doing this? Because we feel this is essential for the conviction of a Muslim, understanding these 5 pillars. You know, when the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, was asked, what is Islam? He mentioned these 5 pillars. From the Shahada, the testimony of faith, praying 5 times a day, fasting the month of Ramadan in the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar, giving the yearly alms, the zakat, if you are eligible, and making the pilgrimage to the symbolized house of Allah, the Kaaba, once in a lifetime, if eligible. One may say, okay, I already have a relationship with God. Why do I need to understand the 5 W's of the 5 pillars? Well, even though this is a means of obtaining mindfulness of God, this also serves as a manifestation of our belief, which is pleasing to God. Now that we know the reason we're doing these 5 pillars, I want you to remember one thing, that actions speak louder than words. It's very important for us to act on what we know. Now that you have embraced Islam and you have this knowledge of God in your heart and you're full of faith and iman and you're uplifted, remember that there are actions, and primarily the actions we're talking about are 2. The actions of the heart and the actions of the limbs. When talking about the heart, primarily we're talking about humility. And that's what we want to capitalize on here. Being humble towards your Creator. We know that God is all knowledgeable. He is the all knowledgeable. He knows what was, what is, and what will be. And He is also the all wise, being that He appropriated that knowledge that He has in the right time, the right place, the right situation. Now that we understand that God is the all knowledgeable and the all wise, we want to act on that in our heart, thus being humble, also exemplifying and showing that within our limbs, what we do and what we say. In regards to this, what we do and what we say, we want it to be in light of the Shahada, in light of that first pillar, which is the 5 pillars of Islam primarily. Remember one thing, that Islam is a religion of moderation. Take your time. Be easy. Be gradual. Throughout this journey of Islam, there will be ups and downs, but Allah knows, and throughout His wisdom, He grants you mercy. So throughout this journey of Islam, we ask Allah to bless you to be patient, happy, tranquil, and be a person of ease. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all. Thank you.